everybody, it's Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. Today we are making a Carolina mustard barbecue sauce. Carolina mustard barbecue sauce is super popular in South Carolina where it came from, and you'll also find it all over North Carolina. Now that I live in North Carolina, I see it everywhere, and I'm super happy for that. It's really unique in that it's a mustard base, and it's extra nice and sweet from honey and brown sugar, and there's lots of vinegar. It's got a delicious tang to it, and it's definitely one of my favorite barbecue sauces. I love it so much. So let me show you how to make it. So let's talk about the ingredients for our Carolina mustard barbecue sauce. We are using a lot of yellow mustard as our base, and I've got a lot of honey and brown sugar for an excellent sweetness. We have apple cider vinegar, we have ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, and our seasonings. I have garlic, and you can use cayenne or paprika for a milder version, as well as salt and hot sauce. So let's get cooking. So we whisk all of our ingredients together in a bowl, and I have 3/4 of a cup of yellow mustard. Get it into the bowl. Yellow mustard is a outstanding base. You can use other mustards, but yellow just really makes it rock. Get it in there. And I have a 1/2 cup of honey, so it is quite a bit of honey. Get it put in. It's going to bring a nice sweetness. I love honey. Got some fresh local honey. And I have a 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar. Placed. And we have a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. I'm using light brown sugar. And I have a couple tablespoons of ketchup. Get that in. And a tablespoon or so of Worcestershire sauce. Unique flavor. And I have, I think I have about a teaspoon of garlic powder. And you can use more if you want to. I have cayenne or smoked paprika, whichever one you want to use. Or use both. And a bit of salt. Add some excellence to it. Get it stirred up. And I'm going to use my whisk here to get it nicely blended. Look at that. It's already smelling delicious. This is such a great recipe, you guys. It's so good. Holy cow. All right, look at that. So this is our Carolina mustard barbecue sauce right here. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and simmer it in a pan for about 10 minutes or so. So really let the flavors bloom and blend together. And then we're going to enjoy the heck out of it. So, all right, be right back. Okay, so I've got a pan heated up to about medium heat. And you can use a pot as well. And I'm going to add my barbecue sauce to the pan. Get it all in here. Set that down. And do not forget hot sauce. So this is an optional ingredient. You don't have to use it if you don't want to. I like to, this is like a homemade cayenne style, Louisiana style homemade cayenne sauce. A little bit, just to add some heat and flavor. Delicious vinegar pop. And we're gonna stir it up here. All right, and now we just let this simmer for about 10 minutes to let the flavors develop, get that blooming deliciousness going. And all right, let's give it a taste when it's done. All right, let's give it a taste. I've had it been simmering for about 10 minutes or so. I love this stuff. It's so tangy, excellent sweetness. It is so good. You guys got to try this. I love it. That's it, guys. That's how you make a mustard barbecue sauce. Like I said, it's super tangy, excellent sweetness. I just love the overall flavor. And you can make it spicy if you want to. It's usually not very spicy, but you can if you want to. It's outstanding on pork. If you guys have a good smoked pulled pork, a little bit of a Carolina mustard barbecue sauce on it, and boom, you have perfection right there. So you guys got to try it. If you make it, give it a taste. Let me know what you think. Delicious, such a great recipe. I do hope you love it. So that's it. Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. I'll see you next time. Bye.